Who drives like this? It's all chill. Yeah. No.
It's 6:30 in the morning and we're going to Portland for no reason. We can get the car working.
That's pretty
Who drives like that though, Hazel?
This is fine.
I have a ceramic bowl of cereal. Can I take me out of that? We're in some kind of middle of nowhere town I've never been to before. It's very thrilling.
Perfect song for entering Portland.
We're finally in Portland.
Entering Portland.
I know, it's what I was like.
Guide.
I'm a student.
Yeah.
What? Oh, that's a camera car, hun. They're doing a television or a movie or something.
Right now?
I think they're probably doing an advertisement for Volkswagen. So if you see an advertisement for a Volkswagen GTI that is in Portland, I stood right next to it.
Is that just decoration?
No, those are hooks. We went all over, and I thought we were much farther away, but we just sort of happened on our car, which is nice. So when we went to Seattle, we went to a Japanese garden, and now when we go to Portland, we're going to a Chinese garden. I don't know, it'd be interesting to see how those are different. I mean, obviously architecturally. It's one thing I really like about Portland, besides the food and how many hipsters there are here, is there's a lot of really good typography. Like, all the typography here is like, nice. This is very different from the Japanese garden. There's more buildings, paths are different. I think a lot of the plants are pretty different as well, besides the people doing Tai Chi over there. Weird, look at that.
Oh, okay.
It's for your water bottle.
Yeah. It's gonna take a while.
Another cool thing about Portland that gives it an advantage over both Seattle and Olympia, they have a little train that goes around. Seattle does not. These are buses. If I'm wrong, leave a comment. There's a line to get into this donut shop. your Voodoo Donuts review?
Really cheap.
My review is that it is also very cheap and yummy. I expected it to be much more expensive since it's like a notable landmark. Voodoo Donuts. Check. We literally did just check it off of a checklist, which is why I'm miming that in the air. We looked up a bunch of stuff to do in Portland while we're here.
Which isn't a lot, honestly.
I mean, there's no
beach like San Francisco or, you know.
Yeah, you're right, there isn't a beach, so no, there's nothing to do here. We did see a commercial for Volkswagen getting made.
That was pretty cool.
I think is very cool.
Yeah.
We had some decent donuts. I liked those.
Decent and cheap.
They're very cheap.
Breakfast wasn't cheap.
Breakfast was not cheap. We went to some kind of delicatessen that was not cheap. And only had
Benedict?
Eggs Benedict. They only had Eggs Benedict for brunch on the weekends. So I'm like, what kind of breakfast place doesn't have Eggs Benedict all the time?
I should get my glasses anyway.
Yeah, I should get them anyway. You shouldn't.
My red bag.
You shouldn't be driving this nearsighted.
Oh yeah.
Food trucks.
There's also food trucks.
Yeah, I was kind of concerned that the place I wanted to go was all the way across town, but it wasn't really that far away at all because we have a car. We're car people now. What else did I want to say? I wanted to say something else. Oh, about the line. Voodoo Donuts line. There was a crazy line, but we spent more time trying to find somewhere to park than we did waiting in the line.
Yeah,
It moved really fast because they
long
just
train thing. Really long. It's really crazy.
It's crazy. Bye, train. Hey, it's a Microsoft store. Like Microsoft has anything worth buying.
I know, right?
That's funny.
Yeah.
Unless you want to play No Man's Sky. They don't let you play.
This is it, right?
Yeah, this is it. They don't let you play video games on a Mac. You just have to content yourself with having a superior computer. Discuss it in comments.
Nice.
Yeah, for all of your ducks that you need delivered. Having a hard time getting a duck at your home? Call Duck Delivery. They'll deliver.
Thank you, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I have.
Well, not exactly this one. It's different.
I wish I had new hat money. Thanks for going into the store with me, Hazel.
Yeah.
Just to look at things and not buy
That's
anything.
why we're
I do love a hat store though. And that was exactly my kind of place. They sold bow ties and hats and cool sweaters. Nice. It's like Catholic Church has Pokemon Go stops and a gift shop. We can't mock the Catholics on the internet.
Here. You have to do it too, Jake.
Oh no, I'm not doing that.
Why not?
Oh no. This guy, look. Scraped his knee. St. Peregrine, watch out. Pulling those sick skateboard moves. Gotta be careful, my man. But I feel like I should get that. Oh, this is a great town. They got a tunnel. I'm sold. Hazel, let's move to Portland. What? So after driving for like 2 hours, thank you, Hazel, we're somewhere. We're somewhere. It's a hidden message. The message is hidden. Okay, we're all prepared. I got my drugstore sunglasses. Hazel's got a blanket from the house.
Blanket?
A towel. One of our towels we have in the bathroom. All these tourists, even though they're on vacation themselves, are looking at me like I'm crazy for talking to a camera. I'm like Anakin Skywalker in that movie where he looks off into the distance and says that he hates sand. That's me. That's relatable to me. It gets everywhere.
Ooh, it's cold. Oh my god.
Yeah. Breaking news. Pacific Ocean, really cold. Goes up to my knees. You can't go over here. You'll drown.
Shut up.
That, I think, was where they filmed the end of the Goonies.
Let's go that way.
But it also could have been that. I know it's this beach somewhere. Yes. Stop, 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 stop. My feet feel like they're gonna fall off. Oh. And then, when there was only one row of seagull footprints, that was when the seagull carried me. Turns out all these little rocks are in fact really huge rocks that are just really far away. So
Why is there a rock there anyway?
well, one day God was like, this beach doesn't have enough decoration. And so he bought a very large rock with gold coins. Yeah, because it's like Farmville, right? And then you dropped it on there. No, it's just made out of harder rock than the rest of it. I don't know why it's made out of harder rock, which is going to be your next question. But all the rest of this is probably made out of like sandstone or limestone or something. And that's made out of like granite. Something that just erodes slower. Eventually, there won't be anything on this beach.
Yeah.
Because the water will rise and swallow the land and cleanse it of humans once and for all because of global warming. Take a run at it. Come on, swim. Do some swimming.
Huh?
Do some swimming.
Let me too?
Yeah. Holy moly, she did it.
It felt refreshing and really cold at the same time.
No, come back. Here. I just want to show that you're very small. Bye, tiny dog. Bye, Canon Beach. It's been real. Jacob Earl out. I think that's what people say. Do you have anything to say to Cannon Beach?
I'm tired.
Well, guess what? Only one of us knows how to drive. It's you.
You can drive too. You're just a baby.
Oh, I don't know how to drive. It's not legal for me to drive. It's just a fact. Wow. When you go to the southernmost tip of the United States, which is, I forget, somewhere in Florida, there's just like an hour of these really long bridges like this that just seem like they're in the middle of nowhere.
I remember that.
Yeah.
That's so weird. What does it do and where does it go? Is that the place
It goes
that's-
down. Key West. Yes. That does not look like it's gonna hold us.
Right?
It's like a spider web. It doesn't look like it's gonna hold us. Here we go!
Mine's double.
We're so high up. Holy
Yeah.
moly.
Pretty high up. You see the sunset? It's kind of pretty. We're kind of scary.
We're like a
gonna float
million
off the
feet
edge of
above the
road.
ground. I don't like this.
It's kind of scary. Wow, look at that dip. Isn't that crazy? It looks so insane.
Yeah, it's worth the drive. I say, as the person who isn't driving. This is what driving to Seward looks like, actually. It pretty much just looks like this for hours. Well, there's a mountain right there when you drive to Seward. It's a little Alaskan trivia for you. Driving to somewhere in Alaska looks very much like driving to somewhere else in Washington.